When you decide to sign up for a PAL cohort, keep in mind that you will be registering for more than one section at the same time. For example, when you're signing up for a Math PAL cohort, you need to register for both math courses that make up that cohort. The registration system may try to automatically enroll you in the second class in the cohort, but it is your responsibility to confirm on your MyCanyons class schedule that you are registered for both classes. The registration system will not allow you to register for one class in a PAL cohort without registering for the other. So even though a PAL cohort feels like one semester-long learning experience, you are still officially enrolled in more than one section. For this reason, it is important to keep in mind that the classes are linked together. If you decide to register for Math 75 and Math 140 PAL cohort, and you have to drop the Math 75 class, then the Math 140 will also be dropped from your schedule. Basically, if you add one class, you have to add the other class. If you drop one class, you have to drop the other class. Sorry, no exceptions are made to this policy. Now, what about waitlists, you may ask? Great question. Because the classes are linked, only the first class in the cohort will have a waitlist. For example, the Math 75 and Math 140 PAL cohort will only have a waitlist for the Math 75 section. But because the PAL classes are linked, the registration system will offer you both classes in the PAL cohort if you're the next person on the waitlist. So remember, the PAL cohorts only have a waitlist for the first class, but that same waitlist works for both classes. Last but not least, you need to make sure you have no holds on your academic record. Things like overdue library books can prevent you from signing up for your classes, so you'll need to make sure you have those cleared before you try to register. When you're able to sign up for your PAL classes, just like you would any other class at the college, you'll need to make sure that you pay for those classes by the end of the same day that you sign up. Otherwise, you risk being dropped from your classes. After correctly completing the questions in this orientation and submitting your student information, you will be flagged as a PAL student. This flag tells the registration system that you've completed the PAL orientation and that you're allowed to register for PAL classes. You will still have to wait for your registration date to sign up for those classes, but once you're flagged and your registration date has come up, you will be able to sign up for PAL classes on MyCanyons, just like you would any other class at the college. If you already have a PAL flag and you're still unable to register for PAL classes, please contact the Admissions and Records Office.